What's up, everyone? This is every single color from Candypearls that we will be shooting for our Slamfest booth at the show at the end of the month, September 26th through the 27th. Started by this one, Sigma. These are all the nano pearls. Huge particle size, extreme color flip. Omega, Omicron, Alpha, Lambda, Beta, Zeta, Delta, and Theta. Those are all increased particle sizes, so they flip a lot harder. This is every single pearl that Candypearls carries. All the pinks and reds, pinks and more bronzes and coppers, down to the oranges. A little bit darker, some espresso and golden brass colors, some golds, black cherry, which is one of my favorites, down to the blues, and then into some of the greens, well, blue greens. Steel blue is a really dark blue. Tiffany blue, which is new. Can't wait to shoot that on the car. Some purples. Mystic green. New Galapagos green. That color is sick. And swampland green. Can't really tell it's green at this from the baggie, but that's what's going to be on our Dip Army excursion here in a couple of weeks. Standard gray and white. And up here we have all the chameleons. Bora Bora, Galaxy, Khalifa, Rose Gold, Shiraz, Cranberry Cocktail, Empress, which is sick, golden, gives you that Iron Man look if you spray it over red. Mardi Gras, Casper, Cosmic Crush, which is one of my favorites. Couple other chameleons, and then you have your ghosts. Spray those over a white base, gives you that blue tint, green tint, gold, ghost look to it. Have a trillion speed shapes there, trillion speed shapes there. And these will all be getting sprayed for the show at the end of the month. Grand appearance by Mandy. Typical. Come check us out at the Slamfest. We'll be having a vendor booth